Unusual challenge to Jerusalem equals some grid partition or 1. So we're given basically a grid and we need to return true or false if this partition exists. And partition is the sum of sections, horizontal or vertical ones. So let's start our implementation. We select our Python 3. Let's select, so we got the length of the grid 0, 1. It's basically the row. So we got the total. Total is the sum of the each row for row in grid. And if total is divided by 2 is not equal to 0, so that means the answer doesn't exist, so we can't divide it by 2 basically, so we return false. Let's start our iteration with horizontal line. So let's start, we got the sum, which is initially 0, we got in range -1, so we don't count the last one, not achieve the 0 elements. So total sum is addition of the sum of the grid I here, and if the top sum is multiplied by 2 equal to total, since we calculated the total, this means what the answer here is true. So next one, we check in our vertical line. In vertical line, we're gonna define local sum multiplied by n, and we'll iterate in range m for j in range n. I want to calculate the column sum here, pre-calculated. It's basically addition of grid I j. Here's the implementation is basically it's the same as the first one. So for j in range starting from n-1, and we'll add in our left sum, which is column sum I j, and if this left sum multiplied by 2 is equal to total, that means we found our solution, so we're returning true. And in all other cases, return just false, as we not found anything. So let's try submitting our solution to see if it actually works now. So streak 84. Thank you guys for watching. See you next day.